when I get to have a video leader of Ndakodo Anti-Thùg group we create in Anambra State. You know, man, last week I balo Uniyako and he was nowhere to be found. Get a video from an unknown location. But an 18. That no when the people rebelled against him because no when the nacho could release a kidnapper hajide. Anti-Thùg all of your baby the kidnapper. All this everything name and menda kodo apatana kumara koda kukide mada kodo kukide mada yetilonya hamu under your reign, under your commitment, under your heinous enable. How many justice has been served? How many justice have you people served? Ekumeni batana Anambra State anti-gini one anti-cause kalila kale. Even anti-Anambra State no nima Anambra. Ndigbo anti-Anambra State hanokwa nima Anambra being funded by some people. So if you say na emekwa again making cause no ihe onye echekonyo ofo. So it's better for you to come out now. It's better it's better for you to come out. Because onye talamu ebiniji bia ugwo. Onye talamu ebiniji bia ugwo. So no matter how bad as I yes, I am because now people have done worse to the people of Anambra State. Obuni ni apote me video like this. Why not come out like this in a video na send them mad? Nanda nwa kubukalonya na nde kubukalonya ma nwado kwa akuna adio kwa na manunu yiji mma na igbu mmadu na apia mmadu na akum mmadu akodo. Mbosaka your group of people when accident a few months ago na Uzoba also. Nobody came there to help them. Mother don't know what teach you could be because of the evil na committing in Anambra State. Checking a situation by people guys have a fatal accident. Nobody was there nobody stood to help you people. So I found on their code and say how was a not minding na happen them mother. So the same hatred people when be police people are the same hatred they when no. So it's better come out from where you are hiding and come and serve your justice. You go. Onye palankwa ahụde sile ngwele bịali ụgwọ. So ihe ọbụla mmadụ na-eme n'ụwa ụgwọ ọlụ ga-ede whether you like it or not. Ọ na-aghọta ka ọ dị.
Ndị be anyị ekene m unu. I have come out to speak. I have come to debunk the video. I saw a video circulating, video of my house circulating with the wrong caption. Because what they wrote there was not what happened. But first of all, I want to commend the governor of Anambra State, who is my own governor in the person of Professor Charles Soludo, for his commitment through the development of Anambra State. Despite in his campaign time, he is busy awarding contracts and all that going on, not even minding what the side talks and the tackles. So I must give him kudos to that. Then as for the video that is circulating, I am not a member of any terrorist group. I am not a member of any cult group. I am not a member of any kidnapping group. I am also not a member of any unknown government or ESN. And I will never be a member. I can never support any organization or group that is prohibited by the government. I'm a law-abiding citizen of Nigeria. I am here to tell my own side of the story. What happened was that on the 13th of April, I was in my house with my wife and my little boy. We were eating when the men of Anti-Thùg barged into my house, pointing the gun, their gun at me. They broke the door and entered, seized my 2 phones, seized the phone of my plumber, one boy that came to fix this thing. I was like, what is the problem? What is it? Why do you barge into my house like that? They started searching my house. They searched everywhere. They didn't see anything. Nothing was found in my house. No exit was found in my house. Even though they didn't come with warrants. Trying to ask them of their warrant, they started beating me, hitting me. The Igbo said they should bring me. I said, Igbo, alright, let's go to Igbo. We got downstairs, only for them to see my immediate younger brother that was coming into the compound. They also arrested him, all of us inside the bus. I went into the bus, I met 5 other people in that bus who are youths of our village too. We went to Igbo's place. Already, when I came back from punishment duty from Okuzu, where I spent almost 3 weeks, I stayed there 2 weeks and 4 days in Okuzu. When I came back from there, Igbo came to my house. Igbo has come to my house more than 3 times, including one Polycarp Ndigbo. He said that I came back, I met the whole village. Everybody were agitating. The youth, the elders, and even the women. Everybody were agitating. What is the problem? They say Igbo and Polycarp sold community land. That they sold the community land and shared the money between the both of them. That's why they are agitating. Now Igbo is coming for me to go and help him address the issue. I now told him categorically, I don't want to involve myself in anything that has to do with this community, and especially land. I'm not interested. And the next thing he did was to bring Anti-Thùg to come and arrest me. Anti-Thùg to come and arrest me, sorry. When we got to his house, they said I should sign undertaking that I must calm the situation. I was like, calm which situation? The situation I met. Do I know what the problem is? They say you people sold land. You people say you did not sell land. So where will I start from? I don't want to involve myself in it. The last thing was that they would take me to their office. With there's another army vehicle there, one team of army. They took all of us because the people agitated to the extent of taking the fight to his palace. There are a lot of people agitating. Different people that have sold their land in different locations. All these things are verifiable. Anybody can go to and verify it. We left. They carried us on getting to Ube, in between Ube and the Benin. The next thing I noticed that the vehicle was slowing down. The next thing was open fire. Sporadically they started shooting up and down. People came out. The soldiers at the back opened their vehicle, jumped out and ran away. The police people that were carrying us in the bus, all of them jumped out and also ran away, leaving me in that bus on handcuff. They also know that I'm a security person. That me going into the hands of those ESN is very dangerous because I may not come there alive. I know a lot of security people that have died in that place. That they are there. So you that is talking, that we all know you as a cultist. What happened between you and the people of Omas years back? You think we don't know the story? The kidnap story, you think we don't know it? How did you even manage to get that ticket that led you to House of Assembly to start with? And you are coming to call me ESN and the unknown government. I thank God for the kind of commissioner of police we have in Anambra State, CP Urutu, who is a no-nonsense man. Money doesn't, you can't control him with your wealth or your contact. He does his investigations thoroughly. Likewise, his PPRO, Tochukwu Ikenga. You can go and ask questions about me. Anybody can go to and verify this story. This is the real story behind what happened to my house. And not all this. My phones are still with the Anti-Thùg till date. The Polycarp who masterminded the selling of the land, the community land with Igbo. Where is he today? He was arrested, I think, 3 weeks ago or so, and he's now in prison for murder case. Look at the people that Igbo is associating with, and he wants me to come and put my hand there and associate with them too. I cannot do that. It's not in my. Anybody that knows me know my kind of person. I had never done that before and I can never do it. I reported you to the House of Assembly because of the kind of request you are making all the time. You can ask the majority leader. The majority leader is my friend. Even though that I am disappointed with what is going on. Because me, I know my friends and I know what they can do. So if I hear more allegations, I can boldly stand and defend the person. Except if there is something that he's not telling me. Which is his business. It's not my business. Igbo also is my brother. I don't have any problem with him. If he has any problem with me, it's his business. All I know is that whenever he does something that is not correct, we will correct him. Even though I know he doesn't take corrections, but we'll keep on correcting him. We won't run away from anybody. So that is the story of what happened in the burning of that house. That is the story, the real story behind the demolition of my house.